Hey, I'm Ewan, and today we are here to talk about Yoshimura's new updated Fender Eliminator kit. This is the V2, and it's got some really nice updates from the previous version. But before we go into detail, if you are unfamiliar with what a Fender Eliminator kit is, pretty much what we are doing here is taking this absolute monstrosity of hideous plastic and other unnecessary weight and removing it from our motorcycle to only keep what is necessary and improving the aesthetic of the rear. And before we go into what this actually is and how it's on the bike and what it's doing, let's talk about Yoshimura. They got their start back in 1954 when Mr. Yoshimura, also known as Pops, was a Japanese aerospace engineer for the Japanese Air Force and started going to some drag races outside of US Air Base in Japan, where US troops were drag racing their motorcycles, and he developed a total need for speed and obsession with motorcycles, as many of us have. So they offer all sorts of different parts to make your bike go fast, and they also now have a location in California that I think came over in the 70s, and the son of Mr. Yoshimura is now the one running the company. Super cool family brand, huge name in motorcycling. I'm a big fan of them personally. So let's look at what this actually does and what we're looking at here. This is a license plate held on with tape. Don't do that. And this also has ways of getting things legal where you want to keep your license plate. So what we're looking at here is a license plate light. This is 6 LEDs. Down below it is your license plate bracket, where you can properly bolt it in so it's not going anywhere. And then below that is our bracket for our turn signals. And if you take a look at just the amount of space this takes up compared to the disgusting thing that came on this motorcycle, it's just a really obvious, why wasn't this done from the factory? Look at how good that looks. And really cool, made from powder-coated steel as well as aluminum, super durable, especially because it's small. Like, I'm shaking that pretty aggressively. It's going to take a beating, and it's going to hold up just fine. And this is where you're presented with two options when you go to get this kit. I have installed the LED version on here, but there's also a version where you can reuse your OEM signals. These are incandescent bulbs, these are LEDs. That's really the only difference aside from the size and aesthetic. So it's really just what is going to look best to you when trying to figure out what to get on your motorcycle. Now, what I like most about this product is actually the installation of it. It's so incredibly easy, and that's great because in the past, there was a little bit of forethought that you had to do when going to purchase one of these kits. Like I had mentioned with the OEM reusable turn signals, incandescent bulbs blink and flash at a different rate than LED bulbs do. So, you know, when you go to put LEDs on there, am I going to have to put resistors in? Am I going to have to address the relay? Now, when you order the kit, you're going to get pieces specific to your bike's model that are going to address everything you need to do. And you're not going to get any extra parts and sit there with a box full of stuff trying to figure out what needs to go on and what's going to work well. There's actually just 4 bolts for this bike that hold this bracket to the motorcycle, and then the wiring itself is quite literally plug and play. You're not splicing wires, you're not cutting, you're not soldering. It is just as easy as it could possibly get. And in the case of these LEDs here that I installed on this bike, to get the blink rate or the flash rate to the proper speed, there is a relay that goes into the bike, and Yoshimura includes it in the kit. This is the OEM relay that came out of this bike, and they've given a high resistance one that plugs right in. So none of the questions you have to worry about yourself. They've taken care of it for a whole matter of different bikes. This is available for sport bikes, dual sports, adventure bikes, and I think it's really the greatest bang for buck aesthetic upgrade you can do. And if you've never taken on a project yourself on your motorcycle, this is the perfect first one to do it. If I had to pick one thing that was a little confusing or odd, and I think it's a growing pain from this product being new, the instructions for actually wiring these LEDs called for me to cut wires and splice them, which, had I not just run the test of running their quick connectors myself without cutting any wires, I probably would have done that because the instructions know best, but you actually don't need to. So it was calling to do more work than needed, and it's actually even easier than the instructions say. So maybe just something to think about going forward, Yoshimura. But anyway, if you have any further questions about this product, or you just want to see what other riders are saying about it, go ahead and click the link to our product detail page where you can get some more information. If you have further questions after that, go ahead and give our customer service team a call. They're all riders just like you, and I know they'd be happy to help you get your bike looking this good. Now, thanks for joining me and talking about the Yoshimura Fender Eliminator kit today. I'm Ewan, and I'll see you out there.